Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to reconnect Duo Mobile. Now if you want to reconnect your Duo Mobile, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now if you are facing the problem of that Duo Mobile is not working or needs to be reconnected to your account frequently, then you need to simply follow these steps. The first step you need to check is that if you are still connected with your account or not. So you may open the Duo Mobile app on a device, and here you will see the list of the account you are connected with. So you need to check if your account is still connected with it or not. So if it is missing, then you need to reconnect using a new QR code by going on the website of the certain thing you want to connect off. So you may go on the service website of Facebook, Microsoft, Google, or anything you want to connect, and you need to go on the security settings, and you need to click on the option of two-factor authentication, and you need to choose the Duo Mobile as your device or the two-factor authentication, and from there a QR code will appear on your website screen. So you need to simply open the Duo Mobile app on device, and you'll see the option of use a QR code. So click on the option of it, and you need to scan the QR code from a device. So by doing this, if that helps, that's good. If that doesn't, then you need to simply open settings on device, and under settings you'll see the option of general. So click on the option of general, and under general you'll see the various options like about, software update, or iPhone storage. So click on the third option, which is iPhone storage, and from here you'll see various apps. So you need to scroll down until you see the app Duo Mobile. So scroll down and find the app, and after finding on the Duo Mobile app, you need to click on the option of it. So here you will see the option of offload app and delete app. So click on the option of offload app. By doing this, it will help you to fix the errors which you are facing while trying to reconnect your Duo Mobile. So that's it. That's how you can reconnect your Duo Mobile. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.